Hello and welcome back to another video, guys. In this video we are working on this Nissan Qashqai. It's a 1.5 diesel, the Renault engines, which is in most of the cars out there now. We've got the EGR valve position sensor circuit 1. So if it comes back with this one circuit, which means like probably short circuit, there's not power going to it. So it could be the fact that the wiring loom here that's going to it, these pins aren't right. Check the inside pins. Maybe that's causing it. If they're still fine, then it will mean that this is packed in and knackered the EGR itself. What we have said, as always, buy an OEM original one online. eBay's your best bet. Buy OEM, fit it on, use a diagnostic machine like this, and reset the EGR adaptation, and just do a full scan and clear. Done. That should cure it, guys. But that's where the location would be on this vehicle, right this here. Part number we shall find out. So part number would be here, if we do find one. There you are, guys. That's your part number there.